What's up guys, it's Matt Collins-Jones here, also known as a D365 Geek, and today we are talking about Microsoft Flow, we are talking about variables, and we're talking about decrementing variables. So, what is decrement variable? This action allows you to take something away from a variable you have already initialized. So for instance, if you have a variable which is a number, so say you have a number of 10 and you then decrement it by 1, the output would be 9. So it's kind of useful if you need to be manipulating the variables in those ways. So let's take a look at it now. So we're in Microsoft Flow here, we have a manual flow trigger and we have this initialize variable step here. The variable is called test v1, it's of the type integer and has a value of 10. So we're going to click new step, we're going to built-in, we're going to go to variables and we're going to choose decrement variable. So first thing to note is that it's asking for a name. The name is actually the name of the variable you are decrementing. This means that it's not taking it from the step name like we usually see in Microsoft Flow. We're actually taking it from the name of the variable that we are setting. So it's called test v1, which matches this bit here. The next thing is asking for a value. So I'm going to put 4 in here. Now it's important to note the value needs to match the type of variable that we are updating. So if I put the word for in there, F-O-U-R, it's not going to work. If I put false in there, it's not going to work. It's not Boolean. So you have to make sure that your types match between the initializing and the decrementing of the variable. So let's take a look at what this looks like. Oh, as you can see here as well, before I do that, we can add in some dynamic content. So again, this is kind of handy if you maybe are pasting in a bit of information. So maybe using this like a lead storing activity. You're initializing a variable for the number of activities that you have against a lead, which is great, but then you are taking one away for every, I don't know, day that has passed since the last activity, or taking it away based on different things. So if we get that content in here as dynamic content, we can then actually use that as the value to take it away, as long as the data types match, so as long as it's like an integer in my instance. So let's test it now. We'll choose I'll perform action, we'll run the flow, we'll click done, so it ran successfully. So it initialized the variable with an integer value of 10, and then we can decrement it by 4, which has an output now of 6. So we can see that 6 is taken away. So what do you guys think? Is this something that is useful? I know like a lot of coding languages already have stuff like this in, so it's kind of smart that Microsoft have put this into Microsoft Flow. But what do you guys think? Is this something that you use? Let me know in the comments down below. I'm always looking for how people use Microsoft Flow. If you like this video, please like and share with your friends. If you've not already, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and ciao for now.